Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Yuchanan, John, Chapter 9. And as he passed by, he saw a man who was blind since birth. And his Talmudim asked him, saying, Rabbi, who sinned, this man or his parents, such that he was born blind? Yehoshua answered, Neither has this man sinned, nor his parents, but so that the works of all will manifest through him. I must work the works of him whom sent me, while it is day. The night will come when no man can work. As long as I am in the world, I am the light of the world. When he had spoken this, he spat on the ground and made clay with the spittle. Then he anointed the eyes of the blind man with the clay, and he said to him, Go, wash in the pool of Shiluach, which is interpreted, sending. Therefore he went his way, and washed, and came seeing. Moreover, his neighbors and those who first saw him whom was blind said, Is this not he who sat and begged? Some said, It is him. Others said, It looks like him. He said, I am him. Therefore they said to him, How were your eyes opened? He answered and said, A man who is called Yehoshua made clay and anointed my eyes, and said to me, Go to the pool of Shiluach and wash. So I went and washed and received sight. Then they said to him, Where is he? He said, I do not know. They brought him who had been blind to the Perushim. Furthermore, it was the day of Shabbat when Yehoshua made the clay and opened his eyes. Then, again, the Perushim asked him how he had received his sight. Also, he said to them, He put clay upon my eyes, and I washed, and do see. Therefore, some of the Perushim said, This man is not of all, because he does not keep the day of Shabbat. Others said, How can a man who is a sinner do such miracles? Thus there was a division among them. Then they asked the blind man, What do you say of him, whom has opened your eyes? He said, He is a prophet. But the Yehudim did not believe him concerning him being blind and receiving his sight, until they called the parents of him whom had received his sight. Therefore they asked them, saying, Is this your son, who you say was born blind? Then how does he see now? His parents answered them and said, We know that this is our son, and that he was born blind, but we do not know by what means he sees now, nor do we know who has opened his eyes. He is of age. Ask him. He can speak for himself. His parents spoke this because they feared the Yehudim, for the Yehudim had agreed already that if any man confessed that he was the Mashiach, he would be put out of the synagogue. Therefore his parents said, He is of age. Ask him. Then they called the man who had been blind again and said to him, Give all the praise. We know that this man is a sinner. He answered and said, If he is a sinner, I do not know. One thing I do know is that I was blind, but now I see. Then they asked him again, What did he do to you? How did he open your eyes? He answered them, I have told you already, but you did not listen. Why would you hear it again? Will you become his Talmudim also? Then they reviled him and said, You are his Talmudim, but we are the Talmudim of Musha. We know that all spoke to Musha. Him we do not know where he is from. The man answered and said to them, This is a wondrous thing, that you do not know where he is from, yet he has opened my eyes. Now we know that all does not hear sinners, but if any man worships all and does his will, him he hears. Since the world began, it was never heard that any man opened the eyes of someone who was born blind. If this man were not from all, he could do nothing. They responded and said to him, You were born in sin, but you will teach us? Therefore they cast him out. Yahushua heard that they had cast him out, and when he found him, he asked him, So you believe in the Son of All? He answered and said, Who is he, Adon, so that I might believe in him? And Yahushua said to him, You have both seen him, and it is he who speaks with you. And he said, Adon, I believe. And he worshipped him. Then Yahushua said to him, I have come into this world to judge, so that those who do not see might see, and so that those who see might be made blind. Some of the Perushim who were with him heard these words, and said to him, Are we blind also? Yahushua said to them, If you were blind, you would have no sin. Yet your sin remains.